Outrageous ATV builds, and in today's video we're going to be getting the purple mini bike ready. I've got a lot of the parts that will be coming in this week, and I want to get this project finished. But anyway, welcome to the channel. About getting a lot right up there in that area, because that's, will be covered by the fuel tank. Then you got the seat, so there's a lot of areas you may think there's no glitter there. Well, it's for a reason. There's no need to put glitter where you're never going to see it. I'm going to try to get everything ready to go, so when all the parts get here, we can put this bike together and just do it all in one video. But I thought y'all might find it interesting watching some of this. And it's really all I got going on until parts come in anyway. So I hope you enjoyed it. So I like to wipe these down with a little bit of lacquer thinner. It gets rid of the excess glitter off of there, and you just kind of knock down any glitter that may be loose or sticking up. It gets the dirt or the dust that is accumulated off of there, and it kind of primes the paint to get ready for the new clear coat that's going to be going on it. So I would say these fenders were painted 6 months ago. So now we're going to put the clear coat on them, and they'll be ready after that to be put on the bike. So for those of you that really want to know what I'm using exactly, so we're doing what they call an anodized, as in like, you've seen the anodized aluminum. We're doing an anodized paint job, so we're using the anodized purple paint. And the way that you do that is, okay, you want to start out with a base coat. Okay, so this is basically like your primer. You can use silver paint, you can use chrome paint, but I just use this because this is what they recommend. Anyway, you put down a silver base coat of some sort, and then you go back and you spray on top of that the anodized purple. Okay, and then when you're done with that, you come back and you put this clear coat. All right. And then on the yellow, we're using a fusion. We're just doing it because we think it looks real good. You could use any color of your choosing. And basically, that's the paint job. Okay, it's not really that complicated of a paint job. It's just there's a lot of steps in doing it. Okay, folks, now that we got our base coat on there, we have two options. Either we spray the other paint on there within 2 hours, or we wait 2 days. Okay, if you try to put this if you try to put another layer of paint on top of that in less than 48 hours, more than likely what it's going to do is it's going to buckle. It doesn't always do it, but man, when it does, it really ruins it. It really causes a problem. So I would recommend you wait a couple of days before you put anything else on it, or get it on there in the next 2 hours. Okay, now a little secret well, there is no secret to this, folks. All you got to do is read the back of the can. But the trick to doing a good job on this is to spray it uniform. And what I mean by that is, if you want this part to match that bike over there was painted 6 months ago. So the thicker you spray the purple, the less that you can see through it and see the metallic base that's under it. So it really, it's really kind of comes down to your what you like. Okay, so it comes down to what you like. If you want it to be really dark purple, spray several coats. If you want to be able to see the metallic under it, then you want to spray a lighter coat. But either way, you're going to want all the different parts to be sprayed about the same amount so that it'll match. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I will be adding several coats of clear coat to the frame. I'll probably put on 5 coats altogether. Anyway, the parts should start coming in by Monday, and hopefully by Wednesday we'll have most of all the parts, and we're going to start really putting them back together. And I appreciate everybody tuning in. I know it's a short video, but there just really wasn't a lot I could do without all the parts. And but anyway, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and we will see y'all later. Bye.